In a flood-battered town, researchers launched adaptive psychological surveys to track resilience and mood shifts across the community. Rather than fixed questions, the system adjusted in real time, revealing stress signals hidden behind polite smiles. Residents appreciated the respectful approach, and participation rose even among skeptical elders who rarely engage. The data showed links between social support gaps and anxiety spikes, guiding targeted community programs and outreach. A few months later, counselors and volunteers rebuilt trust alongside homes, proving adaptive surveys can steer healing and empower residents to shape their own recovery.